Hey, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about getting started with REITs in our last part of the series, section 4 here, right? So I want to welcome you back to the last day of the podcast that we hosted here on YouTube. And in our final episode, like I mentioned, we're going to walk you through how to get started with REIT investments. Now, this is true whether you're a novice or looking to expand your portfolio. This short guide will provide you with the necessary steps as well as some of the considerations before you invest a penny. So let's get started. Now, getting started with REITs is surprisingly simple. First, you need to determine your investment goals and how the particular REIT or sector that you've chosen is going to fit into your overall strategy. Now, are you looking for income, right? Because we know that you can get dividends. Are you looking for growth? We talked about long-term positioning and getting growth from that. Or do you want a combination of both? And next, research the types of REITs that align with your objectives. Now, whether they're residential, they're commercial, or niche sectors like healthcare or infrastructure. Knowing what those are up front is going to help you reverse engineer, like I've mentioned a couple times already, because that is the key to everything. Finding out what your objective is going to be, and then looking back through that process, each step that it's going to take to get to that objective. All the research and development is going to help build on that. So you know exactly what you're doing, and you can build in benchmarks to know how you're doing along the way. Now, once you've identified your target REITs, you can invest through brokerage accounts just like buying stocks. Platforms like Charles Schwab or Fidelity, they offer easy access to a wide range of REITs. And start with well-known ones. Start with REITs that have a track record of stability and growth. You always want to look for appreciation, and you always want to look at the foundation. What is it actually built on? If you've ever gone over a prospectus, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, you can always find a Barnes and Noble and sit down. This is not that hard to do, or sit down with an investor within the family and talk about these areas. For example, if you're interested in commercial real estate, you might consider the Simon Property Group REIT. Now, it's known for its extensive portfolio in high-end shopping malls. Investing in Simon Property Group can provide you with exposure to prime real estate assets, and that's going to be assets that are all across the country. So it's going to have a strong foundation underneath it so that if something does happen, it's not going to fall overnight, and you'll have a chance to respond to the market changes. So to sum up, REITs can be a valuable addition to any portfolio, offering ease of investments, potential tax advantages, and a path to diversified real estate ownership without the need for direct management. And that is the key. And I want to thank you for taking the time to join us for this very short 4-part series. We didn't try to give everything that it takes. We didn't try to give everything that there is to know about REITs. That is not our main focus here at IModern Luxury, but making sure that you as our clients have every opportunity and are as aware of as much as possible that's out there when it comes to moving high-end property, procuring high-end property, investing, and using your wealth to its potential. That is our ultimate goal. So we hope you're now equipped to start or enhance your journey in real estate investment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this series with fellow investors. And until next time, keep investing smart and keep living well. And I'll see you in the next video series.